Alright, what we got here is a freshly garbage picked rototiller. Here in New Hampshire, one man's trash is another man's treasure. It's very true at my house. Somebody was, I don't know, they had it at the end of the driveway and it says gearbox needs work, so we're going to see if we can fix it. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. I bet you the engine runs, but yeah, maybe it needs just new belts. These belts are old. Look at these belts. I don't know if you can see them, but they are really, really old. I mean, that's probably the problem right there. I doubt that it has anything wrong. It says the gearbox needs work, which would be great. Let's see if we can see it right there. I don't know anything about these things. We'll see. Let's see if we can get this running. It'd be nice to have a rototiller. We used to have one, but it broke. So we're going to see if we can fix this one. It's an old one. Has the, I don't know, cedar or whatever you call it. Has one of those. Which I guess just flips down. It's all oily. I'm going to get that off. See what we can do with this thing. Let's see. It's a Yardman Earthbird. I'll have to look it up on the internet and see what we can do. But yeah, I mean, for free, why not, right? I'm pretty sure my father found it, but I guess, let's see if it does pull over. He says it does. Let's see if I can film it. Yep. I don't know if it has spark or not, so let's check it out. 4 horsepower. It's got, let's see if we can look in here. It's got everything on it. I mean, everything works. Choke. Used to have one just like this, but blew the piston and we gave it away. Everything's here. Let's see. And I'll show you around back. It's pretty cool. It's got a reverse. Those belts are nasty. That's probably the whole problem right there. I'm gonna bet that that's the problem. These belts are, I think one's on backwards. So this guy didn't know what he was doing. But change the belts first. Get the engine running first, actually, and then change the belts, and we'll see what happens. I bet you it works. It's just someone that didn't know what they were doing. Let's see, what's this? This thing right here is the gear shifters. It's got reverse, that's pretty nice. It's got a lever here, which is for that. I think it flips it down. See the linkage up in there. I have no idea what that does. We'll figure it out though. That'd be nice. We get this working, it'll be all for free. That's the way we do it. Let's see. Now, this lever here is for your forward, neutral, and reverse. Goes down to those pulleys with the old belts, which is probably why it doesn't work. Let's see. Let me show you how this lever. See? It's all functional. You got, that's forward, neutral, In reverse, you hold back. Like that. Actually, I'm going to take this down off the truck. Here we go. Wait for help, but that's how we do it. Yeah. Holy crap! I don't know if I got that on film. The thing just started. I pulled on it and it started right up. That's cool. Not too bad for a garbage picked rototiller, huh? I didn't even know there was gas in it. I swear that's the first time it started. Oh, you got a phone call. Hello? Not much, what are you doing? Oh, cool. Come over. Yeah, I'll see you when you get here. That's fine. Alright, cool. Yeah.